You've worked hard to lose the weight you wanted to lose, but instead of feeling elated that you can finally fit into your clothes, you're upset and frustrated to see loose, soft, squishy skin your weight loss achievement has left behind. After you understand the key factors that contribute to loose skin, the taboo of surgery as an option, and 4 unconventional alternatives that do not require surgery that you can use to tighten your loose skin after weight loss, you will no longer fear loose skin and will be able to start loving the skin you're in. Greetings, health warriors. I'm Tracy, a licensed clinical social worker and nutrition coach, sharing easy ways you can eat, move, and live a life of mental and physical wellness over 40 and beyond. First, step away from the mirror, avert your eyes, and take a deep breath. Now hear me when I say having loose skin after weight loss is normal. You are not an oddball. The level of elasticity of your skin, the amount of weight you lose, the length of time you carry that excess weight around, and the age you are when your body decides it wants to drop the weight, those are factors that contribute to how much loose skin you will have after you finally drop several pants or dress sizes. Loose skin is no respecter of persons. It pays us all a visit when we decide we want to ditch excess weight. So now that you know this, is your heart rate starting to slow down? All right, good. So let's proceed. After a quick Google search of how to tighten loose skin after weight loss without surgery, you will find yourself bombarded with tons of articles, including 11 ways to tighten loose skin after weight loss, how to tighten loose skin after weight loss, how to get rid of loose skin after weight loss without surgery. All of these have very similar and sound advice. Stay hydrated, because proper hydration flushes toxins from the body while giving the skin a natural, tight, and smooth appearance. Eat vitamin C rich foods. Vitamin C is an essential nutrient assisting in tissue repair and collagen formation. Think about it like smoothing out the kinks in a well-worn piece of rubber material. Some of the things that I would consider, depending on your preference type, would be things like citrus, mango, spinach, or rutabagas. Oh, even a cup of rose hip tea is rich in vitamin C, for all my tea drinkers out there. Eat more protein. You want to avoid depriving the skin of amino acids that make collagen so that the skin can have good strength and suppleness. Exercise and lift weights. Weight training is a solid means to build muscle mass, giving loose skin something to mold and sort of hold itself onto. I've been there, done that, got the t-shirt. Those things were helpful up to a point. Now in this video, which I did about a year ago, I still had a significant amount of loose skin on my belly that would not bulge, and I tried my very hardest, as you can see, to conceal and hide it, which meant at this point it was time to go unconventional. As the unique beings that we are, it takes time to see improvements, but above all things, please be patient with yourself. Before we get into the uncommon methods, how about we take a quick little intermission to discuss the elephant in the room? Is surgery ever a realistic option for tightening loose skin following weight loss? Well, let's see. If the weight or heaviness of your loose skin feels uncomfortable and painful a year after losing weight, you have recurrent skin infections and chafing, or you are prone to excess moisture under the accumulations of the folds of the skin, leaving an unpleasant odor, then you may want to speak to your doctor about the viability of surgery as an option. Surgery is a major procedure that should not be taken lightly, okay? Before rushing out into surgery, me personally, I try every option available. So here are some other alternative options for you to try. I can't remember where I heard or read it, but it said dry skin brushing is like exercise for the skin. That is so true. Dry brushing done before shower stimulates our body's natural detoxification process, moving out sluggish lymph, that colorless fluid that circulates throughout our entire lymphatic system. I typically enjoy doing dry skin brushing the most during late winter and early spring when my skin is ready to get its glow back for summer. Dry skin brushing not only restores that dull look we can get to our skin, but it enhances our circulation for good blood flow, which improves the texture and silkiness of our skin so we can wear short shorts. So now, are you ready to try dry skin brushing? Sea salt is antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, right? So it's not too far to see the concept of how using sea salt scrubs as a skin tightening ally to tighten loose skin after weight loss is, well, kind of genius. This form of gentle exfoliation revives our pale, tired looking skin, creating new skin cells that are tighter, plumper, and more firm. We can retain our skin's natural oils, keeping the skin from feeling stressed by using sea salts with essential oils in them. Oh, I wish you could smell this. It's light, soft, and the texture is Goldilocks just right. Ooh, don't get carried away. More is not better when it comes to dry skin brushing and sea salts. They should be done no more than 3 times a week. Just when you thought castor oil had come and done all that it can do, like in this video, and this video, bam! It's back with a new trick. Castor oil, while great for our gut health, is also great for tightening up our skin. Sounds weird, right? Well, when you combine about 2 tablespoons of castor oil with a teaspoon of lemon juice and a half teaspoon of lavender oil, after, of course, doing the skin test to make sure you're not allergic to any of those ingredients, and you start applying that to those loose areas, you will start to see firm, tightened skin. I use it primarily on this rebellious belly of mine that tends to want to expand and deflate several times throughout the day. Darn IBS. But I was pleasantly shocked, like 2 peas in a pod, happy when it actually worked. In the past year, I have taken more rounds of antibiotics than should be legally allowed. Antibiotics, though great for fighting infections and viruses, they also impact our immune system and our digestion function, and not always necessarily for the better because of the very sterile environment it leaves behind after fighting all those infections. And guess what? Not only did the internal health of my gut alter with those rounds of antibiotics, but the appearance of my stomach changed as well. I'm so happy and so grateful for microneedling or derma rolling that came to my rescue to just restore the suppleness of my skin around my stomach. Microneedling is a practice that requires rubbing a roller with these tiny little needles across your skin to generate microscopic holes in the skin that allows new collagen to form, resulting in tighter skin. This treatment is done once every 4 to 6 weeks in the privacy of your home, takes about 5 to 10 minutes, and I can say after about 4 months, I noticed that my skin was firmer and smoother. Microneedling is a process that is for the patient at heart. If you want a faster results, like abs in 48 hours, then watch this video next.